So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable auto mop cleaning on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner. Now, select Mop Cleaning Settings, and you can enable auto cleaning the mop. You can also select type of returning to clean the mop and frequency of returning to clean the mop. Of type of returning to clean the mop, you can set it to by area, by time, or by room. What it means is by area means after cleaning a certain amount of area, like for example 20 square meters, it will return, clean the mops, and resume. By time means after several minutes, and by room means after every room. For by area, you can change the frequency to 20 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, or 25 meters. For time, you can set every 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 25 minutes. And by room is basically every room. So that is basically how you can change it. You can also set the water temperature for mop washing and water output for mop washing. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.